Hi, I'm T. Cooper. I'm a New York City makeup artist, hairstylist, and co-founder of beauty and grooming company Metro Look. I've recently been asked by a client how to make my curly hair pretty and thin, and I'm sure what she meant by pretty and thin was pretty and straight, because no one wants to have thin hair. So what you could do to make your curly hair nice and straight, sleek, with no wave in there, is you could use a straightener. A straightener is fantastic. You can use it to curl your hair, you can use it to straighten your hair, you can use it to put waves in your hair. So what you'll need for this is a straightener, a 1 inch is preferable. I think it's easier to work with. A comb, which is optional. I like to use it to create tension in the hair, and some serum. It's good for smoothing the hair. So what you would do is first take just a little bit of serum, rub it in your hands, distribute it throughout your curly hair. It's going to create shine, and it's just going to help the hair do what you need it to do. So then you take about a 1 inch section. Then what I like to do is take my comb through it just to get all the tangles out. If you find you have some tangling at the bottom, start from the bottom and work your way up, because you don't want to rip the hair. Put the comb right underneath. Take your straightener and glide it through the hair, nice and slow. And go over it as many times as necessary to get it nice and sleek. Some people only need to pass it once. Some people need to pass it a few times. But whatever you need for your particular hair type, then that's just what you need. Some people say, oh, just only pass it through once. Why pass it through once if it's not straightening your hair? There you go. And as you can see, this hair that was once curly is nice and sleek and smooth and shiny. I'm T. Cooper, and thank you so much for watching.